You're watching another Playmo YT toy review. Today we have something new and a little unexpected. I went to a toy store and found this on clearance from Playmobil Direct. Contained in this bag is a Playmobil troll. Now this little beast was among several other sale items and I couldn't pass it up considering his unique color and overall appearance. As you can see from the bag, this is item number 6432, the giant troll. Thinking back, I wish I had bought two of these. He looks so cool and I can't wait to unbag him for you right now. Let's get to it and see what he's all about. Oh wow, look at him. He looks better than I thought. It's almost too hard to see him as a threatening monster because of how cute he is. I'm absolutely in love with this shade of blue. Checking out the details here, we have a pivoting head, which is nice. Swiveling wrists. Oh, there we go. And very well articulated arms, which makes for great poses actually, especially when he's carrying his club. The legs are stationary, but unlike your typical clicky, they're molded into a walking pose, which again is very nice. Now as for the club itself, it fits nicely into either hand and has large spikes protruding from it to protect our troll from anything that dares to threaten him. Let's go ahead and put this in his hand just so we can see how it looks. Nice. There is some basic but nice detail on the armor and the bottom covering as well. After a little research, I found that these trolls come in various colors. I didn't see any variants at the store I went to when I picked this one up, but that's alright. I still might get another one sometime down the road. And that's it, my friends, for our look at Playmobil item number 6432, the giant troll. Please subscribe for more Playmobil content, follow us on Instagram, and click that like button. There's more Playmobil reviews coming. Hope to see you in the next one. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.